Ruto makes bold political shakeup, reinstate Faith Boynet to head Kenya Pipeline Board. Nairobi. President William Ruto has officially reappointed Faith Boynet as the non-executive chairperson of the Board of Directors of Kenya Pipeline Company Limited, as a move seen by analysts as part of broader leadership changes across state agencies. According to a Gazette notice, Boynet new term will run for 3 years, effective from December 23, 2025. She first assumed the role on December 23, 2022, taking over from Rita Okude. Boynet is a seasoned lawyer with over 20 years of experience spanning public and private sector. She currently serves as the managing partner at Boymet and Bet Company Advocates, a law firm recognized for its advocacy in defending women and children's rights. The reappointed has drawn mixed reaction online. One Twitter user commented, "Faith Boynet knows her work. Good move by Ruto. We need capable hands in key position." EBK, subscribe for more information.